is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one from, from Hong Kong. This is Satay beef flavor by Noodle brand of Hong Kong, and it's pretty cool. I don't generally get a lot of new stuff from Hong Kong, let alone anything from Noodle brand, and I really like their stuff, so this is pretty cool. You got a noodle, you got some garnish, and you got some powder, and then you got some goo. Let's get that goo all gooed up in there. Yeah. So today is a snow day for everyone here at Ramen Raider World Headquarters. No school for the kid. No work for the wife. It's just too crazy out in the world right now. Which is kind of nice. Spent some time, went out, took the kids out, showed them the snow, as it were. 3 minutes on the timer. Yeah, I went out, looked at the snow. It's freaking cold. I mean, if you're in the Chicagoland area, you'll be like, oh, dude, it's not that. You don't know cold. And I technically, no way. We ain't got nothing on you. But yesterday we were up in Canada, and yeah, I thought we'd go up there, check things out, snag my sister along the way, and went up to Canada, and when we left, it was maybe in the lower 40s. When we got up there, oh man, it was like, at one point with the wind chill, it was hitting -5, and yeah, that means business. Here, I think right now, or at least when we went outside, it was like 22 degrees, and it felt like 22 degrees, unless there was any way, shape, or form of wind. Like 5 miles per hour of wind would drop it down to like feeling like 15, you know, so yeah, cold business. But yeah, it's that time of year. Really wasn't expecting it though. It doesn't tend to, I mean, once it gets to a certain point in the season in Washington, you just, or at least in Western Washington, you kind of figure, well, we had our shot for some snow this year, it just didn't happen. Oh well. Well, sometimes it does this kind of crap. So looks like it's going to stick around. It has not made it above freezing today, and it probably won't. It might get up to freezing, I'm guessing tomorrow, maybe like around 1 or 2, and then dip right back down. It's supposed to get down to 18 degrees tonight, so if all the branches just stay covered in snow, and then it gets just about to freezing here, and then goes right back down, those trees will just be full of ice. And if we get any kind of wind or of any way, shape, or form, and we're due to get maybe like 25 to 30 mile per hour gusts at some point, oh, our power's going out big time. So that I'm not looking forward to. It's hard to cook noodles when the power's out, and you know, it sucks when it's cold. It's easier to warm up when you're cold, though, than to cool down when you're hot. So there is that, but I tell ya. 3, 2, 1, and... Alright, let's give this stuff a try. Have a look. Yeah, this is Doll Brand Bowl Noodle Beef and Satay flavor. So what do we got here? Little nuggets. These little nuggets. Egg. Oh man, this tastes freaking good. Noodle. Wow. This is flavorful. Rad. Well, this is a large bowl of noodles with a lot of flavor to it. I could see myself just chowing down all of this, but that's not what we do here. What's that? A little bit of vegetable. It doesn't really want to hang out and spend any time with us. It's just, you know, I'm gonna throw some mung bean sprouts in here. Sounds as though the boy Miles might be getting into some trouble. But I think it'll be all good. And so what I'm gonna do at this point is I'm gonna take this, dump it in here. Hopefully it doesn't splash all over my brand new Canada shirt, which it did not, thankfully. And we need a bowl. And here's that bowl right here. Get that bowl right there. Pour it back in. Now, what am I gonna do with this? Got mung bean sprouts that are now kind of buried. But that's okay because ladies and gentlemen, I made some. Okay, so I took some beef and I put it in a skillet and I kind of fried it a little bit, and then I took some peanut sauce. I know you're probably like, what? Took some peanut sauce and put it on it. Because I mean, satay, right? Isn't that like peanut sauce and a meat? And this is beef and satay, so I'm guessing this is kind of a beef satay, I'm hoping. But I tried it and it tastes good, so that's really all that matters. But you know, there's our beefing. We've done a little bit of beefing there. Thank you to Thai Cafe over in, oh man, now I'm screwed. I'm not going to remember. Chef Bank over at Thai Cafe in New Hampshire. God, where in New Hampshire is it? Dude, I'm sorry. I'll put it in the down below. But yeah, he sent me some of this peanut sauce that he makes. He's the one who made the Inferno noodles, and those Inferno noodles were infernal. I mean, they killed me. So, and my buddy Hunter, who you might know from the first interview series of this show, he tried it and he only got 2 bites in. He eventually, during the day, finished it, but yeah, tough stuff. But he was like, so do you want the spicy version or do you want the non-spicy version? I'm like, tell you what, buddy, send me the non-spicy. If the spicy is full of that Carolina Reaper pepper. I'm sorry, it's just not. It's not fun to have that hot of pepper action going on. Maybe it is for you, but not for me. You gotta be patient with your eggs. A little bit of egg patience right there. I'm gonna do the snip and a flip. And there we have our egg. Happy as a clam, but nothing like a clam. And some spring onion. Just dump some of that on right there. That's nice. And I have a feeling I'm going to start using this like way too much, but here's some black sesame seeds and some I don't have it right in front of me, so I'm not going to use it. Yeah. So yeah. Let's see if you can see everything, and then I'll give it the old rotunda. There you go. Yeah, I got this up in Canada at Aberdeen Centre, which is a big mall up there, at a weird little shop that sells like Hello Kitty plush animals and junk like that, and candies and exotic-ish things. And they had this there, and they also had Taiwanese beef noodle that had like the real beef in it, which that is not supposed to be there. So they're working with some kind of interesting distributor, which I'm totally cool with. It had a Hong Kong import-export label on it. So definitely not something that's supposed to be imported into Canada, but thank you for doing so. I'll be reviewing those soon. I reviewed basically those same things before, but they're just a different iteration of their export labeling, so it'll get another look. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day, and yeah, it's fun.